Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to figure out what a roof replacement costs in your area from a third-party source. Check it out. So here's a website where you can check to see what roof replacements cost in your area. So at remodeling.hw.net, you look up the cost value report and you would select your region of the United States and you would scroll down to where it lists off all the different services, so you can do more than just roof replacement. But once you scroll down, you look for roof replacement, you select that category, and here it shows you a graph year over year, and in the little box up top, that number will change based off of the cost for that year. And then down below it has a description of what that's related to, how many square feet of product and roof, and what exactly is the type of product and so on. So here you have 25-year shingle, 30-pound felt, which those are like basic level roofing. Nothing fancy about that. And then the average skylights. And these numbers are based off of a 30,000 square roof replacement. Keep in mind, these prices are definitely on the high end. So if you have any questions, leave a comment. Thanks.